The office of the Dorbar Shnong Nartiang in the West Jaintia Hills district, under the leadership of headman Mom Palanki and Secretary Sati Swear, along with the executive member, had a meeting today with the chairman of the Delimitation Committee Jhadc, Dr. Dakintyu Hemi Lingdo, and Jhadc CEM Thombor Shiwat. During the meeting, a memorandum has presented to Dr. Lingdo outlining the decision of the Dorbars to maintain Nartiang village within its current constituency. Following the meeting with the chairman, the group also visited the office of the CEM to provide him with a copy of the memorandum and engaged in a brief discussion on this matter. The memorandum highlighted the concerns of various stakeholders, including residents of the village within the Nartiang Umladang constituency.
Daerah lagi mana ini kalian yang percaya dengan kecukupan wiri kondisi yang anarkis. Heavy le hajuk kapor le kam kalian yang awak senang penpau kejeng senang si ukro hadok apa kata kam tam kejeng to upia arliang ya ka senang yang ini. Ada kam te nak kalian yang ini porok kadar senang darai kaman miu man dah hadokan ni sah.
And now the